Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Odeon gift card online. If you're looking for a way to activate your Odeon gift card online, then it is pretty easy. First of all, open a web browser and inside the URL box, type in odeon.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, from the main homepage of Odeon, go ahead and sign into your account if necessary. Now, you can go ahead and book for a cinema online and then make sure to enter the name of the film. Select a date for your preference, select the time and click on the search icon to search for the movie or the show. After you do that, you will now need to choose your seats. Select where you'd like to view the movie from on the list and click on continue. Now you will need to choose your ticket. Select for the tickets you'd like to purchase, make sure to enter the amount correct and then click on next step. Follow through the prompts till the end, select any orders that you'd like to make along the way such as food and drinks, and once you end up in the order summary page, make sure if everything's correct and click next again. You'll also need to enter your phone number, and after everything's done in the order details page, it'll now take you to order payment page. In the payment area, you can go ahead and select a gift card option. Enter the gift card number that you'd like to activate for Odeon and make sure to enter it correct exactly as it appears on your gift card. Now enter the PIN code for your gift card and finally click on the apply button in order to activate an Odeon gift card while purchasing the cinema tickets online. So that is how you will be able to activate your Odeon gift card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.